Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, in-house developed acid tanks and alkali tanks associated with the demineralized water treatment plant inaugurated at PBS Department of RSP, and sanitization intensifies in SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to contain SARS-CoV-2.
Number of ventilators in Super Speciality Hospital of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to be enhanced to 100 for treatment of COVID-19 patients. And crane successfully reconditioned in-house by FMM Collective of SAIL RSP.
SAIL focuses on enhancing liquid medical oxygen, that is LMO, production from its plants, and intensive sanitization continues in the industrial township of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant.
Now the news in detail. 4 revamped acid and alkali tanks associated with the demineralized water treatment plant in a unit of CPP3 of Power Blowing Station were inaugurated by Mr. S.N. Jaina, Master Operative CPP number 3 on 19th April 2021 in the presence of Mr. B. Sunil Kartha, CGM Power, and other senior officers and employees of the department. It is worth mentioning here that the demineralized water treatment plant of 3 streams of 75 meter cube per hour capacity consists of regeneration units with exchanges of acid, HCl and alkali, NaOH. It is being supplied from acid and alkali storage tanks. These tanks had developed severe leakages and the structures had got corroded, thereby becoming a safety hazard. The team of DM plant PBS led by Mr. S.N. Jaina meticulously planned the job and revamped the tanks within a short span of 15 days, each using in-house resources without affecting plant production and with all safety measures. This has led to direct saving of Rs 5 lakh one-time basis, besides considerably enhancing the safety of the acid and alkali systems. The total job was executed under the leadership of Mr. S.K. Malik, Assistant Manager, under the guidance of Mr. S.S. Sistla, DGM PBS, and was safely completed under the supervision of Mr. S.L. Das, GM CPP 1. To tide over the rising COVID cases in Rourkela Steel Plant, the RSP management has intensified its preventive and curative measures. Individual departments have also come forward to sanitize their own areas as responsible employees of the plant. On 20th April, a massive sanitation drive was carried out in Sinter Plant 2 and 3 led by GM in charge Sinter, Mr. Anup Datta. Departmental offices and shop floors were sanitized with disinfectants as prescribed under the COVID guidelines. Special focus was on entrance lobbies, corridors, rooms, washrooms, switchboards, handrails, door posts, and frequent touched contaminated areas. Daily mopping and dusting is also being ensured, especially of frequently touched areas and articles like tabletops, chairs, chair handles, pen stands, computers, keyboards, mouse pads, printers, sanitizers, dispensers, and intercom equipments. Awareness, motivation, and counseling is being done to help individual employees abide by the workplace advisory of regular hand washing, social distancing, and use of masks.
Keeping in view the worrisome rise in the COVID-19 cases in the region, as per the instructions of the Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, Shri Dharmendra Prasad Pradhan, the number of ventilators in the Super Speciality Hospital of Rourkela Steel Plant will enhance to at least 100. It is worth mentioning here that inspired by the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and guided by the leadership of Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, SAIL RSP's Super Speciality Hospital at Rourkela was approved to be used as a 60-bed COVID care hospital recently. Process is going on to get the hospital ready for this purpose as soon as possible. In the meanwhile, Shri Pradhan has instructed the SAIL management to enhance the ventilator number to at least 100 so as to extend treatment to more number of critically ill COVID-19 patients. Process has already been initiated in war footing to procure and install new ventilators. Since inception, SAIL RSP has been committed to the growth, safety and security of the nation. When the country is battling against the COVID-19 pandemic, SAIL RSP has been standing with it in its all readiness to contribute its might. The employees of the Field Machineries Maintenance known as FMM Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant have displayed their skill and expertise once again by reconditioning the crane call number 879. The reconditioned crane was inaugurated on 20th April 2021 at the pool zone of FMM by Mr. Bimal Kumar Bishi, CGM Design, in the presence of Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, Mr. P.K. Swai, GM FMM and other senior officers of FMM and Coal Chemical Department. The job was carried out by the team of Pool Zone Crane FMM. They include Mr. A. Pradhan, Senior Technician, Mr. S.S. Das, Senior Technician, Mr. J.P. Lakra, Senior Technician and Mr. H. Bara, Technician. The complete job was carried out under the leadership of Mr. P.K. Behera, Manager FMM. It is noteworthy that the crane with 8-ton capacity was commissioned in June 1995 and was being used by Coal Chemical Department for material lifting. The crane had outlived its life and the equipment needed complete overhauling to enhance its life by at least another 5 years. The major jobs carried out in the process include complete dismantling and cleaning of crane, overhauling of engine, reconditioning of gearbox, reconditioning of differential and brake system, reconditioning of complete hydraulic system, complete replacement of electrical wiring and lighting system, reconditioning of structural system like central pin, frame assembly, repair of cabins, mudguards, cabin door, panel board, cabin roof and complete denting and painting of the crane. This innovative job has led to the substantial cost savings for the plant which would have been occurred on procuring a new crane.
Steel Authority of India Limited SAIL has been in the forefront in meeting the challenge of making liquid medical oxygen, that is LMO, available in the country. It has already supplied 36,747 metric tons MT of liquid medical oxygen since August 2020 as per the requirement. With increase in demand of LMO in the country, SAIL has enhanced its focus on increasing the production since beginning of this month. In the last 6 days, the company has supplied on an average 660 MT of LMO per day from its plants. On 21st April 2021 alone, the company has supplied 891 MT of LMO. Improvement interventions have already been made to augment the LMO supply with respect to process and equipment. SAIL has reduced the production of gaseous oxygen, nitrogen and argon besides optimizing process parameters in its plants to boost production of LMO. During this hour of the emergency need, SAIL firmly stands committed with the nation and will do everything to augment the production of liquid medical oxygen from its plants. All its plants have been advised to maximize production of LMO and optimize dispatch logistics so as to reduce turnaround time of oxygen tankers, company has reaffirmed. With the help of Indian Railways and Ministry of Steel, SAIL has planned to load a rake from its Bokaro steel plant. This will help greatly in bulk evacuation of LMO and faster arrival of the same at the destination. With rapid ascent of the second wave of COVID-19, disinfection drive has intensified by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP for preventing the spread of the pandemic. On 22nd April, the Public Health Unit of Town Engineering Department of RSP carried out the disinfection drive at Health Center Sector 6, Cheap Type Market area and different areas of Sector 4. The workers wearing rubber boots, heavy-duty gloves and triple-layered masks disinfected these areas. All these places are frequently visited by large number of people. Health Center Sector 6 houses both COVID testing and vaccination center, which calls for proper sanitization for safety of one and all. In addition to this, cleaning and mopping with prescribed disinfectants is taking place on a daily basis. Once again, a gentle reminder to our viewers to kindly wear masks, frequently wash your hands, maintain social distance and avoid crowded place as far as possible. Stay safe, stay healthy. That's all in today's news bulletin. Namaskar.